About 4 years ago, I bought 200 of these Lord individually wrapped single edge razor blades and a very good German heavy brass handle. This is a Merkur. I won't talk much about this. I've already got the review of the handle. But let's talk about the razor blades. Yeah, what I did is, again, I had 200 of these. I would shave about 3 days on one side, 3 days on the other side. That's about all they were good for. They claim to be super stainless. They rust. So that was another issue. They're kind of hard on the brass handle because the dissimilar metal corrosion. Also, there was a great deal of inconsistency. I don't know whether like the hole was punched off center or the blades were dull or whatever, but sometimes one side would, right out of the package, wouldn't work very well and the other side was okay. Yeah, so in the end, I don't know, I've used them all up now. To give you a comparison, my barber says that my beard is heavy medium, so 7 or 8 on a scale of 1 to 10. And as of 4 years later, I prefer now to go back to the double-edged Gillette style razor blade because it just gives a better, cleaner, faster, smoother shave than even a new blade in this razor. And this particular blade is a month old. I have used it for 1 month and it still does a better job than a Lord razor blade in this razor. Yeah, okay, so this is now my preference. I'm going back to the old technology. And that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you found it useful and interesting in your shaving experiences.